Plate tectonics. Objective: to learn the theory of plate tectonics and the different types of plate movements. Plate tectonics is a theory used to explain the movements of Earth's lithosphere. Scientists and geologists have found evidence supporting the theory of plate tectonics. Studies indicate that at one time, all of the continents on Earth were bound together as a huge landmass that has been named Pangaea. Gradually, the continents began breaking apart and separating during a process known as continental drift. The theory of continental drift was subsumed by the theory of plate tectonics, which supports the shapes of the present-day continents. Let's take a closer look into the theory of plate tectonics. If we were to look at a cutaway of Earth, we would see very distinct layers. The outermost layer is the crust. Below that sits the mantle. Together, the crust and the upper layer of the mantle form a region known as the lithosphere. The lithosphere is not a solid continuous layer. Instead, it is made of many large slab-like pieces called tectonic plates. The plates of the lithosphere are constantly moving. The theory of plate tectonics suggests that the Earth's surface is made up of 7 or 8 major plates and several minor plates. The plates can move toward each other, they can move away from each other, or they can move past one another. The interaction of the plates causes one of 3 types of plate boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform plate boundaries. Convergent boundaries are formed in places where 2 of the tectonic plates collide. Plate collisions can result in the formation of trenches, mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Divergent boundaries occur in areas where 2 plates have moved away from one another. As 2 oceanic plates move apart, hot magma from underneath will flow up and form volcanoes. Transform boundaries occur in areas where 2 plates have moved sideways past each other. As 2 plates slide past each other, the crust will break and form a fault line. Usually, earthquakes will occur along these fault lines. It is this movement of the Earth's tectonic plates that is responsible for the various landscape features we see across our planet. Summary: the theory of plate tectonics is used to explain the movements of Earth's lithosphere. The plates can move toward each other and collide, move away from each other, or move past one another. Earthquakes, volcanoes, mountains, trenches, and faults are formed due to the movement of tectonic plates.